Brown skin, face pretty like a wa. I be limited edition, body attire proper. Me, irregular, them come on like a vanilla. Sweet honey, them a bit of vinegar.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So unfortunately, I have to go outside today because there are a few things that I need from the store. So I've been locked up in this house because of this horrible virus, and I've been looking a hot mess. But that's okay because I'm home, I'm with the family. There's no need for makeup because I'm constantly moving. I'm homeschooling, I'm cooking, I'm cleaning, I'm like doing everything. So today I have to go to the store, and even though I will have something to cover my face, I figured I might as well do my makeup. Why not? So I put on my foundation and I was about to do my eyebrows, and I figured why not do a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. For today, I'm gonna use the Goof Proof by Benefits. Right now, it's my favorite. So for my everyday look, it's pretty simple. What I usually do is I start off in the middle and I concentrate on the bottom of the brow, and I put little strokes going down to the tip. Then I go above, still in the middle of my brow, and I do little strokes going down on the top, and then I blend in the middle. After I do that, I use my little brush and I blend everything back, and it gives it like just a natural, really good look. That's for my everyday look. If I want something more done up and really chic, then I go heavier on the strokes and I bring it in a little bit more. But regardless of what look I'm going for, I always try to keep everything looking as natural as possible. So I use the side of the pencil that has the little hump on it right here. I use that side to blend. To me, it's just a lot easier. So I'm starting right here and I'm doing little strokes going back. Little strokes going back. Then I'm going up top and I'm just gonna do. And when I go to the top, I make sure that I'm going down because I like that angled look. To me, it looks really good. So I like for my brow to go down. I don't want it to like go straight up. So, okay, I can stop right here. But then I like to add some color to the middle. Then I just like to blend everything out. Just blend it all out. And this is how it looks without adding the concealer to clean everything up. This is how it looks, okay? See, it looks very natural. So I'm gonna go in a little bit. I'm still not gonna touch the front of my brow. For me, I never touch that area. So I'm just putting a little bit more of the eyebrow color in the front area of the brow, still not touching the front of the brow, and then use my brush to blend it all in. I want natural looking strokes. All right, so that looks good to me. It looks very natural. It has the arch. Let's do the next. All right, so again, I'm gonna start in the middle and blend. So I'm gonna just start right here and blend back. Then I'm gonna go up top and blend back, making sure to concentrate on that arch, okay? And then I'm gonna blend it in the center. And then today, I'm gonna take it in a little bit more. Yeah, why not? So I'm definitely wearing a mask outside today. My nose and lips will be covered, but the eyes will still be very visible along with the eyebrows. So at least I'll be able to show them off just a little bit. All right, so just put some strokes in the middle and then use the little brush and brush it in. You just want to drag it. So when you do that, start at the front and you're brushing back. And every time you come back to the front, you're going to have some of the color still on this little brush, and it's going to tint the area of the front by giving it like little strokes, okay? And that gives it more of a natural effect. Natural brows, no matter how thick they are, they're never really that thick in the front. Just like your hairline. Like your hairline is not super thick right in the front. Most people have some baby hairs. As your hair goes further back, it gets thicker and thicker. All right, so now I'm gonna apply the concealer. And today I'm gonna use the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer. And I like this concealer because it's really, really close to my skin tone. And because today is just a natural look, I'm not trying to go too crazy on the brows. So I love this concealer because it matches my skin tone perfectly, but it also has this nice applicator and I can just dab it where I need it and there's no mess. Some of the other concealers that I have to take like an angle brush and push it inside and then put it there. But this one, super convenient. All right, so I'm gonna apply it right here. Okay, and then right here. Then I'm gonna go right here and right here. And then I'm going to blend it all in. So I'm not using an angle brush for this. I'm using a shader brush that I got from Sephora. I like this brush better. The point for me is a lot easier to use. So this is the one I tend to use. But depending on the day I'm having, I might whip out the angle and use that. But lately it's been this brush. So now I'm just going to shade everything in. And I try to get as close to the brow line as possible, okay? I just try to make sure that the concealer is fully blended above and beneath my brow. And then once that's done, I just blend further down to give it more of a fading effect. All right, once the bottom of the brow is done, I do the same for the top part of the brow. And I'm just dragging it, okay? Dragging everything, blending, dragging, blending, dragging, blending. I saw a video where this girl did her brows and they looked really cute. But when she applied the concealer, she used the beauty blender to blend everything out. And you would think that that wouldn't give you a really nice tapered look, but the way she did it, she killed it. And she was a makeup artist. I'm no makeup artist, so I just do it the way that's the easiest for me, but also a way that looks really natural. All right, so this brow is done. So that's it with the right brow. Now the left brow. So same thing. Just blend. Once the area right under the brow is blended, then you just want to bring the concealer down a little further to give it a nice fade-in effect. All right, then you move to the top and you do the same thing. And you're basically just dragging it and putting it where you want it to go, okay? And sometimes it might smear the color a little, but that's okay. Just wipe that part off, because you definitely don't want your eyebrows going all the way down here. If the ends of your eyebrows pass your eye, they're too far down. They need to line up with the outer lid of your eye. If they're too far down, it's not gonna look natural. Just picture me having a damn brow all the way down here. How does that look? Not cute. You need to make sure it's right here. Okay, This is how I do it. So I should have showed you guys this in the beginning. Basically, when I put on the color for my eyebrows and I blend it down, I always stop at the end of my eyes. Okay, you see that? And then where I start with applying the color, it's usually right here at the highest part of my brow. So it's lined up with my eyelid. Okay? So I don't put anything past here and I don't put anything past here. That's how I do it. So just continue blending, and with this, blend it up. All right, so this one looks good to me too. So this is very natural. You can brush it a little bit more. If you wanted to have more of a pop, you can go lighter with the concealer, or you can build the eyebrows up a little bit more and make them a little bit deep and rich. All right, so we're all done with my eyebrows. What do you guys think? So I'm ready to hit the road. Pray for me, guys, as I go do these errands. I am gonna get what I need and bring my ass right back inside the house, because outside is not the place to be right now. The only thing to ensure your safety is to practice social distancing, and that is what I intend on doing. So after I grab what's needed outside, I'm coming right back home because I do not want to get sick. All right, guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you like the way that I did my eyebrows, go ahead and hit the like button. If you guys have a few tips and tricks that you'd like to show me about how you do your eyebrows, I'd love to see it. Just leave me a comment down below in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll get to see more videos from me. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.